Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you could make your very own raindrop challenge on Musical.ly. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, then here's an example for you right now.
If you think I'm coming back, don't hold your breath. I ain't just that, cause I'm breaking up bridges,
So that is what the raindrop challenge looks like, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you could make one as well. For this video, I'm gonna be teaching both my iOS and Android users, and it's gonna be really easy because you don't have to use any apps at all. You just have to use the Musical.ly app and do some little things about it, and then boom, you got some raindrop thingy majiggy. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know down in the comments because maybe you'll win the next shout out for my next video. So now, let's get started. So I'm gonna be showing my Apple users first on how you could make one of these right now. So to my Apple peeps right now, if you're watching, then hello to you because you're about to learn the trick right away. And to my Android users right now, I'm gonna be teaching you guys once I'm done with my Apple users, so keep watching. Once you get on your Musical.ly, the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna be finding a song that you wanna use for this transition. Let's say you found the audio that you want to use. Basically, you're going to be clicking on the bottom right to use the audio, and we're going to be clicking on record. Once you get to this page, this is where the magic happens. Basically, you're going to be clicking on the bottom left right here, which is this like clip thingy majiggy, like what this. And as you can see, one of the options there is either like, you know, the doggy be like woof woof at you right now, or the doggy be like oh cutie, or the other option right here is the raindrop, which is this one right here. So again, this is where the magic happens, and basically how you're going to record this is that you're going to be lip syncing, and wherever the drop of the song that you're using comes, you're gonna be holding out your hand like this, and as you can see, like it stops like that. Like, you know, you can go like squishy squishy, oh, you can go like squishy squishy right now, like, you know, getting the raindrop right now. I'll be like get out or something. I'm gonna be recording my Musical.ly, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I usually do it. As you can see there, I did a transition, and basically what I'm gonna do right here is that I'm gonna be changing the filter of this Musical.ly into black and white to make it a little bit dramatic and also interesting for people to watch. So basically I'm gonna go to black and white, like very darkness right now. And I'm gonna be going to the bottom left again to select the raindrop, and now it looks so depressing. And I'm gonna be continuing recording my Musical.ly. And that is how the magic is done. As you guys could see here, it is so cool when you did like that. It's like you stopping the rain, like no rain right now, don't make me wet. And when you put your hand down, it basically goes back to normal into raining, and that is amazing. That is pretty much how you do it. So once you think that you are done filming your Musical.ly, just press on next. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own raindrop challenge, be sure to put in the hashtag SkySound so I can watch yours and maybe react to them in the future. I'm really excited to see your Musical.ly, so better make it ASAP. Okay? Okay, so that is how you could do the raindrop challenge on Musical.ly for my Apple users, and so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know down in the comments, and I'm happy to help you guys. And now it's time for me to move on to my Android users. So if you're an Android user and you're still watching this one, then keep watching because I'm about to show you the trick as well. So once you're ready, just go to your Musical.ly app right now, and once you're on your Musical.ly app, the first thing that you're gonna do is that you're gonna find the song that you want to use for this transition. And let's say you found the audio that you want to use, just go to the bottom right to use the audio and click on record. Once you click on record, it's gonna take you to this page, and basically to do the raindrop, you're gonna be clicking on the bottom left right here. It says effects, and if your Musical.ly is updated, you should have something like this, and it's called the rainbow, and you could change even your face to a dog or something, like, you know, woof woof at you, very cute, or even this doggy right here, like cutie right now. But for this Musical.ly, we're gonna be using this raindrop. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be filming my Musical.ly, and to control the raindrop, basically you're gonna be holding out your hand like that, and as you can see, it just stopped the rain, like, you know, stop raining right now or something, and it just came back down, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna be filming my Musical.ly right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do it. So once you think that you did the Raindrop challenge correctly, then we're gonna be pressing on next. And guys, if you're gonna make your very own Raindrop challenge, then be sure to put it in the hashtag SkyStab so I can watch your videos and maybe react to them in the future. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to see them, so better make it ASAP, okay? Okay, so that is pretty much on how you could do the Raindrop challenge on Musical.ly, and so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions or anything like that, then be sure to let me know that in comments and I'll try to answer them. If you have a Musical.ly and you don't follow me yet, be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me in all my social medias, in which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.
Let's go. Let's go.